This is Smart Academy. We are giving classical mechanics online classes for CSR, NET, JUST, GATE, whatever physics exams. So I am discussing about classical mechanics classes. In last video, I explained the what is rigid body, what are the conditions to be satisfied if it is under mechanical equilibrium. 6 independent conditions are satisfied if it is in under mechanical equilibrium. Now I am discussing about if a body may be in partial equilibrium. So it may be in translational and not in rotational. It may be in rotational, not in translational. So one has to satisfy. If it is in translation, it's not in rotational. If it is in rotational, not in translation. So this is partial equilibrium. Now I am taking one example here. This is one rod, an object. So point A, point B, this is midpoint, C is midpoint. From midpoint to point A, the distance is A. From midpoint to point B, the distance is A. So C is midpoint here, AC equal to BC equal to A. The movement forces at A and B will be equal in magnitude but opposite sets. See here F1 acting this direction, F2 acting this direction. So the forces act in equal magnitude but acting in opposite sets. One is acting this direction, one more is acting this direction, one is this direction. So the system will be in rotational equilibrium, not in translational equilibrium. The system will be in rotational equilibrium, not in the system will be in rotational equilibrium, not in translational equilibrium. This is example 1. What is happening here? The movement of forces are equal but acting in opposite directions. This is the first example. So in this forces, the system will be rotational equilibrium, not in translational equilibrium. I am taking same example but different movement of forces here. See here point A, point B, C is midpoint. The distance between A and C is A. The distance between C and B is A. So here the force acting this direction, the force acting another direction. So one force is this direction, so one force is this direction. The forces are equal but not opposite. The body is in translational, means it is this direction only, the force also this direction. So same direction the forces are acting, not opposite. The body is in translational equilibrium but not in rotational equilibrium. In this condition, the body is in translational equilibrium, not in rotational equilibrium. Now so the forces are equal but not opposite. The body is in translational equilibrium, not in rotational equilibrium.